be showing you guys how to make norm. The ingredient you've been eating is shredded gum. Just gum. Shredded gum. Shredded gum. Or any kind of gum. I'm using this one. I'm using mint. No, I'm using cinnamon. Ah! Hey guys, it's me, Chloe, and today we are going to be showing you guys how to make slime edible out of one ingredient, but it's super tasty. So let's get straight on to it. This is how the slime looks like, or like putty, whatever you want to call it, looks like. So I only have a little bit, and it is cinnamon flavored. Yeah, so this is super stretchy. Super stretchy. It's not pokey. Sometimes it's not sticky. It's not like the slime is sticky like all that. But it's good. But yeah, we're showing you guys how to make it. So the ingredient you are needing is to make the slime is some
cream. It's red.
cream, gum.
Oh, I didn't say go. I said gum.
Cinnamon, Trident gum, and I got this in a 3-packet. Yeah, that's how I made this slime. It might be disgusting, but it's actually really fun. When the flavor's all out of your gum and you're like, oh, it's so boring. It's so not tasty, then you want to throw it away. But you can actually make slime. I once was chewing gum and all the flavor went away. So I was bored at the same time. And then all the flavor went away, so I started playing with it. I'm like, oh, this is cool. And I used it with my mom's mint gum when I was chewing it one day. And it's actually really cool. It's like see-through, you guys can see. Sorry about the sun, it does not help at all. It's like this orange color. And I have 2 shout-outs for you guys. Number 1, you guys can follow me on Musical.ly at Cowgirl Chloe, and I have 2 more shout-outs. 2 shout-outs. 2. Number 1, I'm gonna go for Jojo Siwa. Shout out to you. You guys can follow her at Jojo Siwa. No, that's Jojo Siwa on Musical.ly. And shout out to Haley in California. Shout out to you and whatever you guys can follow her at Haley World. And it's an eye. It's her eye, and then she has her hand with a painting of an eye. It's so cool. We made Musical.ly together, but she doesn't have it anymore. I don't know what happened. But we made a Musical.ly together that is on my channel. So go check that one out. And yeah. But quit chit-chatting and let's get on to it. Like, I was chewing this and it's all out of flavor stuff. I'm gonna take, here you go. I'm gonna take these 2. Open them up. Keep the wrapper and flatten it out. And do the other one. You want 3 wrappers because I'm using 2, but you can use 3. So there is powdered sugar on it. So I'm gonna wipe all this powdered sugar off. All of it. Off. That. I'm going to bend it. Here you guys can see it's a lighter color in the middle. I am going to grab 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces, and I'm going to mush them together. I'm going to chew them. And do the same with the other one. So see you guys when they're nice and chewed and done. So just almost finished them. You know what, Dad? So I'm going to start kneading. It's a little bumpy inside. We're going to chew that a little bit more. And it should be very, very sticky at first. You guys could go check out the Hibernate Breed. What is that game called?
Hybrid animals.
Hybrid Animals.
Oh, look how dark it is in the back.
It's gonna rain. Oh, it's gonna rain here, I guess. Oh, I can see the little sugar pieces in here. Those little pieces, little sugar pieces. Can I have a white, Mom? Please. Oh, and the chapstick. I found it. Right, we gotta wait for the white. I'm just gonna keep wiping my hands
I'm really good at this game.
until it's nice and done. I'm gonna keep chewing and keep wiping my hands until and eating until it's nice and done. So I'll see you guys then. I'm nice and good now.
Okay, bye.
So this is how it is.
Okay. Bye.
It's super stretchy.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
And it makes super duper fun to play with. Yeah. So cool. So cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everybody. Have a great day.